Ready to turn cryptocurrency chaos into confident trading? Let's dive into the fundamentals of crypto trading in a minute and a half. First, you'll need a secure platform. Choose a reputable exchange like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken, and create an account. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication 2FA for enhanced security. Next, understand the different types of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is the most well-known, but Ethereum, Litecoin, and many others offer unique functionalities. Research different coins to see which are right for you. Now, let's talk strategy. A core concept is buy low, sell high. This means aiming to purchase coins when the price is relatively low and selling them when the price increases. Diversification is your friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to minimize risk. Consider stable coins like USDT as a safe haven. Familiarize yourself with market analysis. Candlestick charts can help you identify trends and potential entry, exit points. Start with simple patterns, and don't feel overwhelmed. Risk management is critical. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses on trades. Practice makes perfect. Many exchanges offer demo accounts. Use them to practice your trading strategies without risking real money. Stay informed. The crypto market is constantly evolving. Keep up to date with the latest news, trends, and regulations. Remember, trading involves risk. Be patient, do your research, and continuously learn. With the right approach, you can navigate the crypto market with confidence. Subscribe for more crypto tips.